Are you over 60 and finding it harder to keep your muscles strong? Trust me, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Losing muscle isn't inevitable, and you have more control than you think. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle in a process called sarcopenia, which affects strength, balance, walking speed, metabolism, and even independence. The great news? You can fight back, and it starts with your breakfast. After a full night's sleep, your muscles are primed and ready to absorb nutrients. Choose the right foods, and you can maintain, repair, and rebuild muscle faster than you might expect. Today, we're diving into the top 5 breakfast foods seniors should eat to rebuild muscle quickly. These foods are simple, affordable, delicious, and backed by solid science. Let's turn your mornings into a daily investment in strength, confidence, and longevity. Greek yogurt is hands down one of the best muscle-building breakfasts for seniors. Strained to concentrate protein, it delivers all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need, especially leucine, the on switch for muscle repair. Research supports this. A 2015 study in Nutrients found that high-protein dairy intake in older adults significantly improves muscle protein synthesis and helps counteract sarcopenia. One of our viewers, Margaret 67, shared that switching her morning cereal for a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds helped her regain energy and strength. I feel like I can move faster, climb stairs more easily, and even keep up with my grandkids, she says. Tips: choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add berries, honey, cinnamon, or nuts. Blend into a smoothie or use it for parfaits. Bonus: you get calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics supporting bones and gut health while building muscle. Margaret also noticed that when she added a tablespoon of chia seeds, her mid-morning energy stayed stable, and she could even take longer walks without fatigue. Eggs are a timeless breakfast favorite, and for good reason. Each large egg delivers 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, leucine, B12, vitamin D, and healthy fats to support hormones, all essential for seniors. Eggs stop muscle breakdown, fuel repair, and provide long-lasting energy. A 2018 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that older adults consuming 2 eggs per day experienced increased muscle protein synthesis and improved muscle mass maintenance over 12 weeks. Here's a quick question for you. Do you usually scramble, boil, or make omelets? Whatever your preference, try pairing eggs with veggies or whole grain toast. Even 2 eggs a day can make a noticeable difference. Frank, 72, credits his daily egg breakfast for helping him regain upper body strength. I never thought a simple habit like 2 eggs every morning could make such a big difference, he says. And it's not just Frank. Other seniors have reported improvements in energy levels, mood, and confidence after incorporating eggs into their breakfast routine, showing that the benefits are holistic, not just physical. Oatmeal is comforting, easy to digest, and a slow-release energy source, perfect for maintaining activity, a key factor in preventing muscle loss. Oats also contain protein, which can be boosted with Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts, or seeds. Beta-glucan fiber helps lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and keeps you full, great for seniors managing weight or heart conditions. Research shows that complex carbohydrate sources like oats, when combined with protein, improve post-exercise recovery and muscle protein synthesis in older adults. Try this. Ask yourself, how can I make this breakfast more protein-packed today? Add a scoop of protein powder, a handful of nuts, or some chia seeds. Mary, 65, turned her morning oats into a protein powerhouse. Adding protein powder and berries makes my oatmeal something I look forward to, and I've noticed my strength and balance improving, she shares. She also found that oatmeal helped her stay consistent with her morning walks, because she had steady energy without the mid-morning slump she used to get with sugary cereals. Cottage cheese is often underrated but is a muscle-building gem. Rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein, it keeps muscles fueled for hours, preventing breakdown. A half-cup serving provides 12 to 15 grams of protein, leucine, calcium, and B vitamins. A 2012 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that casein protein in older adults significantly enhances muscle protein synthesis over several hours, making it ideal for muscle maintenance during long periods without food. Try it on its own, with fruit, in smoothies, or on whole grain toast. John, 70, says that starting his day with cottage cheese has helped him maintain his independence. I feel more confident walking around the neighborhood knowing I'm fueling my muscles, he explains. Some seniors also like adding a small spoon of almond butter or cinnamon to cottage cheese for extra flavor and healthy fats, making it a delicious way to fuel strength. Smoothies are perfect for seniors because they are easy to prepare, easy to digest, and fully customizable. Protein powder, whey for fast-acting, casein for slow-release or plant-based options, is key. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per smoothie. Add Greek yogurt or cottage cheese, fruits, leafy greens, seeds, or nut butter for extra nutrients. A 2020 review in Frontiers in Nutrition highlights that protein-rich smoothies can be a practical and effective way to help older adults meet daily protein requirements and improve muscle mass and strength. Interactive challenge. What's your favorite smoothie combination? Share it in the comments. Many seniors find smoothies are a lifesaver on low appetite days. Diane, 68, says, I mix spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and protein powder. It's quick, delicious, and keeps me strong all morning. She also recommends freezing fruit in portions to make smoothie prep even faster. And there you have it. The top 5 muscle-building breakfast foods for seniors: Greek yogurt, eggs, oatmeal, cottage cheese, and protein smoothies. You don't need all 5 every day. Start with 1, build consistency, and expand gradually. The key is turning breakfast into a muscle-protecting, energy-boosting habit. Think about it. Which of these foods could you add to your mornings this week? Share your plan below. It might inspire someone else to take action too. Remember, building muscle after 60 isn't just about exercise. Your diet is a powerful tool that works 24/7. Small, consistent changes can create big results. Start today, stay active, and watch your strength, balance, and independence flourish. Many seniors find that pairing these breakfast habits with a short walk or gentle resistance exercises amplifies results even more. If you want more tips to stay strong, mobile, and independent, hit that like button. It helps this channel reach more seniors who truly need this guidance. Subscribe to the Wellness Detectives and discover easy, science-backed tips to stay strong, healthy, and energized every day.